Hey guys, check this out. I got this question a lot this weekend about, is this the Bitcoin bottom? Let's dive into the chart here. Looking at Bitcoin, as we know, this impacts the entire crypto space. Everything follows Bitcoin. So pretty much why people focus on the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin sitting at $23,096, pulling back down 2.6%, but just pulling back, especially after that pump last week, huge pumps last week. And really what I think is going to happen is people are going to say, oh, that was a bottom, jump in, not knowing, the history about market cycles and what typically happens in the crypto space. Then when the pullback comes, they're going to be, down, 10, maybe 20%, cash, take the loss and never come back to crypto space. That's typically what happens when we look at crypto. So looking here at Bitcoin's sitting at 23,000, but really respecting this level of resistance we have here in red. So you guys see that here, really respecting that level of resistance, but we're waiting for that third touch to this blue trend line. Now we had this kind of tilted a little bit over with over here, and it wasn't really respected, but we saw an idea right here about potential respect at this level right here. A couple wicks, multiple touches to the top. But one thing I want you guys to look at, there's divergence right now, bearish divergence. I said it last week. As we look here, what's going on, you see I'm kind of make this a different color so you guys can actually see. Let's make it green. We see huge divergence right there, but then the next thing we see, and I'll move this line so you guys can see it. I'll move these lines so you can see it. We have it on the stochastic. So sitting here on the stochastic, we see this right here. So that typically indicates a drop. As a bearish divergence indicates a drop. So pay attention. Pay attention this week to what's going to happen, because that's what we're looking at when we look at Bitcoin price action, when we look at what's going on in the markets. I'm looking for a drop. So is Bitcoin bottom in? I don't think so. But, this isn't like a guarantee. This is just an idea. But based off of what I see, I think we have more, lows to be made at this time. So take a look at that. That's a key indicator for me to have a bearish sentiment still. I know I was saying, I'm bearish. I'm maintaining a bearish position if we break 22.5. We did break 22.5, but I still have a bearish sentiment. Like, there's no scenario where, based off of going through a bear market before, back in 2018, 2019, going through that bear market and dealing with all that, I do not think we're out of the water yet, based off of not only the Bitcoin cycle, but also macroeconomic conditions, but also price action, what we see on the charts. So hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.